Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key the Realtor from BG, and I'm proudly broadcasting to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's market update, we are covering Northwood, Rossford, and Lake Township. It includes the cities of Millbrae, Moline, and Woolbridge. So digging right into this local market update, we are seeing that new listings in this area are down 5.7% year over year from the same time last year. Pending sales have also decreased by almost 20%, but most of that is because we're not seeing the listings that we need in order to sustain marketability and viability in the market today. Days on market have increased in this area, likely because people are pushing the values and seeing what they can get for these properties. I can't really honestly say I blame them, because once you sell the thing, it's gone for good. So why sell it below market when you can really test the market to see what it can do? It's easier to go down than it is to go up. Contrary to popular belief, I don't believe that it's in your best interest as a seller to sell a property overnight. It does nobody any good, and all the realtors that are bragging right now about, oh, I sold it in 24 hours. That's great, but you didn't really do anything. The market did that. If anything, you underpriced the house, and you left meat on the bone, and you did your seller no service whatsoever. Just my thoughts, my personal take on things. You don't have to agree, but that's how I feel. And honestly, I think the market supports my opinion, and here's why. Currently, new listings have decreased. Pending sales have decreased. Closed sales have decreased. But one thing that hasn't is median and average sale price. They have gone up substantially, especially the average sale price. What that means, when we look at the averages, when we combine all the houses that have sold in this area and divide them by the number of houses that have sold, it gives us about a 21% increase year over year from last year this time. Part of what's driving this is the record low inventory of houses for sale. Currently, month supply of inventory for this area is sitting at 2.5 months. To give you an idea, folks, in order to be at equilibrium, we should really be sitting between 4 and 6 months of inventory. That means we have equal parts buyers as we do sellers. So when we're sitting at 2.5, it means we have way more buyers than we do sellers. And what that's doing is that's really allowing us to push the market, test the market, and see what people are willing to give. If someone's really desperate enough to buy a house, they're going to pay for it in today's market. That's ultimately what it's come down to. So if you've been contemplating about making a move, give us a call today. We'd love to sit down and chat with you about how we can maximize your return and get you the best deal possible, not only as a seller, but also on the other end as a buyer. We have been successful in saving our clients thousands of dollars on the buying side, while also remaining competitive in today's market. That's all I got for you today. I thank you for joining me. I hope this video has been informational. And if you like the content and what you saw today, please make sure you like our page and subscribe to our channel. That way you do not miss any future content. I thank you again so much for joining us today. This has been Jim T with Key the Realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Make this the best day yet. Have a great day.